1. Elephants are the closest relatives of the now extinct mammoths. 2. Today there are 3 types of these unique animals: Indian elephant, African savanna and African forest. Previously, there were 40 species. 3. The African elephant is recognized as the largest mammal that lives on Earth. 4. The largest elephant ever known was a male African elephant killed in Angola in 1974, weighing about 12,240 kilograms. 5. The average body weight of these animals is about 5 tons, and the length of the trunk is 6 to 7 meters. 6. Elephants are considered not only the largest mammals on Earth, but also one of the most sociable animals. An elephant cannot live alone, he needs communication with his relatives. 7. Elephants are amazing animals, which, as scientists have found, are inherent in self-awareness and experiences of different feelings and emotions similar to human feelings. These animals are sad if something is wrong in their herd and rejoice, for example, if an elephant is born. Elephants can even smile. 8. Elephants have an excellent memory. They recognize their relatives and fellow human beings even after a very long separation. They are also vindictive and can take revenge for the insults caused to them even after several decades. However, they also remember their patrons well and will never forget their kindness. 9. There are up to 500,000 African elephants in the world. Asian elephants are about 10 times smaller. 10. Over the past century and a half, the average length of elephant tusks in both Africa and India has halved. This is due to the fact that the largest representatives of the population become victims of poachers, and the length of the tusks is a genetically inherited trait. 11. Elephants are large and very intelligent animals. They have served humans for peaceful and military purposes since ancient times. 12. Elephant herds are always headed by old and experienced females. The change of the leader occurs only because of the death of the former main elephant. Moreover, only females live in herds, and males prefer to exist separately. 13. Scientists have dispelled the myth that elephants have their own separate cemetery by conducting a series of experiments. However, during these experiments, it was found out that elephants really respect the remains of their relatives very much. They easily identify the bones of their fellow tribesmen in a pile of other bones. They will never step on the bones of a deceased elephant, and they will also try to push them aside so that other members of the herd do not step on them. 14. Up to 8 liters of water can fit in the trunk at the same time. Also, the trunk has more than 40,000 receptors, so elephants have a very good sense of smell. 15. The most important difference between female Indian elephants and males is the absence of tusks. In some cases, they are there, but remain not visible. The tusks of male Indian elephants reach 1.5 meters in length. 16. Elephants have self-awareness and distinguish their reflection in the mirror, as well as dolphins and some species of monkeys. 17. The average weight of an elephant is 5 tons, however, they walk very quietly. You will hardly notice if an elephant calmly approaches you from behind. The thing is that the pad of the elephant's foot is arranged in such a way that it is able to spring and expand, taking up more and more space as you transfer space to it. Imagine that you glued a feather pillow to your sole. About the same thing with elephants. That is why they easily walk through the swamps. 18. Almost all animals are able to run, i.e. move in such a way when the whole body is completely in the air for some fractions of a second. Elephants, because of their large mass, cannot lift their bodies into the air and run half. The front legs move at a trot, and the hind legs hold all the weight and are rearranged as when walking fast. In this mode, the elephant is able to reach speeds of up to 40 km/h. 19. Elephants live in herds. Female elephants live in herds of 10 to 15 individuals. They raise cubs together and take care of each other. They can bring water or food to an elephant that has received some kind of injury and cannot move. 20. Elephant cubs live in a herd up to 12 to 14 years old, then they can either stay or separate and create their own family.